In this video, we're gonna be doing a side-by-side comparison, how long it takes to fill up a true spray tank versus a traditional tank. So let's get started. We will start with the traditional style tank. First, I'm gonna make sure all the air is out, which it is. And now I'm gonna dump it and start from scratch. When I'm using a traditional style tank, I like to only fill it up about 2/3 of the way, leaving plenty of room for air. So I'm gonna fill it up to about right here. Do my soap last so it doesn't create a bunch of soap suds. And then for a tank like this, if I'm using it for window tinting, I'm gonna do about 15 seconds. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. And then now we need to go flick on our air compressor and fill it up with air. Good morning. All right, so that's that one. Now we're gonna do the true spray. This one, with everything being so easily removed, it makes it a little easier. So we can take that off. We don't have to carry that around with us. And because we're not gonna be filling this with air, it's an airless spray system, we don't have to leave any room for air and we can fill it up all the way. This is gonna be my PPF slip. And for me, I like to do 2 of these with the ape solution. 1. 2. Make sure your pin is pulled. Turn your power on, boom. Hold the trigger down until it builds pressure, and we're ready to go. Now, obviously it would be a little bit faster if you had your air compressor closer by. We have our air compressor in the back so it doesn't bug our customers. And so that walk adds a little time, but even with the air compressor being in this shop, the true spray system is 100 times more efficient because we don't need to use an air compressor for 1, and for 2, we can fill it all the way up with water. So I'm gonna be filling this up less often. So hopefully this helps you make a decision if you're on the fence whether or not to buy a true spray system. My advice is, if you could afford it, if it fits into your budget, you have to get one. But just like anything else, if you can't afford it and you're not ready for it, it's not a necessity. Just like having 36-inch rolls and 24-inch rolls. Once you can afford to purchase 24-inch rolls, you're gonna start saving money long-term. So just like anything else, once you're able to invest, you're gonna save. It takes money to make money. We'll see you on the next one.